Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add images on your Affinity Designer. So all you have to do is just open up your design, and on the left hand side, just ensure that you find the text tool. And this is going to be the text or the artistic text. You can click on it and it's going to give you two options. You're going to have the one with the frame text tool, and you're also going to have the artistic text. Choose whichever you want and then click in your image, and you can go ahead and start typing. What I like to do is to drag out the letter to make the size of what I want to text, and then I can just start writing whatever I want. And so once I type that in, then I can just select my select tool and I can just adjust the size to whatever I want. And you can always go ahead and play around with the coloring and so forth and the font. So you have the fonts right here that you can choose, and you basically change the font right here. You have the sizing, you have the color that you can easily switch to if you want to change the color of your text. If you want to get more, more stylish with your text, then there's more ways how to change the outline of the text and so forth. And that's pretty easy to do as well. But if you're looking to add text, this is a basic way how you can add text on your Affinity Designer artboard.